Hi again, everyone. So that last syllabus video kind of cut off towards the end, but that was the end of the syllabus. Um, let's look real quick at our course on Blackboard. A couple of things that I would like for you to do. Number one is make sure that your email is updated to what you want your email to be. And I will say that a couple of times over. This email is the email that I will be emailing if I need something from you. So I tell my students every time, if this is not an email that you check regularly, then you need to go in and change it to an email that you check regularly. Because I will not try to look up your school email. I will not try to Google you if you don't reply to this email that's listed here. I will only use Blackboard to email you about an assignment or something I need from you. So this email needs to be updated to something that you check regularly. And if you do not check this email regularly, then I need you to change it to an email you check regularly. The second thing is you can see that my avatar has a picture of me, and that is something I do expect. So if you have not already uploaded either a picture of yourself or some kind of photo of an avatar, something like that, it's just a way to help personalize this just a little bit, and it helps me remember you. So you will find that you can do that within Blackboard. If you need more support from me and how to do that, just email me and I can show you how. Um, the other thing that I would like to point out is course documents. All of your the course is organized by modules, which is where I would go first. But if you need, we've put whatever you need within your modules. But if you need another place for them, they're also here. So for example, if I go into module 2 on educational policy and school reform and you go into your lessons, you'll see all of the briefs and articles that you need. You will also find these in course documents. So they're put in 2 places for you. So there's no way that you can miss them. And yes, the course is organized into 7 modules, 2 weeks per module. We do take the week of July 4th off. But what I also do is I upload everything. I allow you to work at your own pace. So if you want to work a little farther ahead, that's fine. Just make sure that everything is turned in by the deadline at least. So with summer being the way that it is, you're more than welcome to work ahead. All of your modules would be released all at once so that you can do that if you'd like. Another thing to keep in mind is discussions. If you look very closely, each one of these discussions has some very specific expectations as far as the minimum of words that you utilize in your original post, as well as the number of words that you are expected to reply to 2 of your classmates for each module discussion board. So just keeping in mind those are there to help you to make sure that you are meeting the expectations for your discussion boards as well. Trying to think if there are any other things that need to be pointed out. The course is pretty self-explanatory. Again, every module has, we go through, every module has a lesson 1 and a lesson 2, which if you're going by the typical schedule, lesson 1 you would do in week 1, lesson 2 you would do in week 2 of that module. But if you want to do them all in week 1 and then move on to module 2, that's perfectly fine. You'll always have your module assignments of what's expected within this 2 weeks of time. Everything will be listed and linked for you. If there is anything in here that is not linked for you, you just need to let me know. And again, if you look at the syllabus, which we were, just making sure that everything is due by this ending date right here. So module 1 and 2 are lumped together. So module 1's expected completion date would be right here, June 7th. Module 2's completion date would be right here, June 14th. So just follow those deadlines listed within. I don't think there's anything else on Blackboard that I need you to focus in on. It's a pretty, like I said, a pretty well organized, self-explanatory course. But if you have any questions, just email me and let me know. All right. Thanks, y'all.